Hey everyone, welcome back to TSD's Reviews and Stuff. So today we'll be doing an unboxing and first impression on the Spigen rugged armor case for the Apple Watch. Now this is applicable for all 44 and 45mm watches. So that includes the series, the SE, the Series 8, and 7 and 6 and so on, as all of them are compatible with this. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So there it is. It looks pretty nice, just like any rugged armor case you buy from Spigen. It looks quite like that, and it looks quite protective. So you do have the texture on the multifunctional button, that is cool, and you also have the huge cutout for the crown, and then you have all the cutouts for the straps and speaker grills, microphone, and all that, even for the sensors, obviously. So let's apply this on the Apple Watch SE. Now I've already done an unboxing and first impression on this. If you want to check it out, the link is right here. Just click on this card. So in order to do that, I guess we will have to remove the straps. It's sort of difficult to remove. There you go. Okay, so let's insert it here. Now the main reason I bought this was for fitness, because I do weightlifting, and I noticed that sometimes there are chances that there can be instances where I can sort of damage the watch unintentionally. So in order to protect my watch from all that, I bought this. There you go. Now it does add a decent amount of protection. It's nothing too crazy, but I think it should do the job. It's pretty robust, and I feel that, yeah, it's definitely going to protect the sides easily, no doubt about that. And it looks heavy duty, it's not gonna lie. So let's first add the straps and see how it looks. So as you can see, the bottom sensor is also very flush. Looks really nice, and the precision is there. As you can see, the precision is top notch. Also, let's just see how to remove the straps with the case on. So let's give it a try. As you can see, there's mark made for it. So if we apply pressure, and it does the job. It's a little tight, but if you do it just properly, I think it should fit in quite nicely. Pretty easy, not that difficult, so that's cool. Let's see how to remove this case, just in case we need to do it. Oh, okay, so that's pretty simple. And if you want to insert it, you should try it from the bottom. Just try not to get this thing stuck inside that the strap holder. Otherwise, it's pretty simple to remove it and apply. So let's put this on. There you go. It looks quite good, not gonna lie. Just a little bulky. The buttons work. Let me put my pin. The multifunctional button works, no issues. So yeah, the crown might be a little difficult to reach, so maybe let's just go to music and let's scroll. I think it works. Yeah, it works quite well. It's just a bit flush with the case, so that's the only issue, but otherwise it works quite well, no issues. Yeah, so Yeah, this costed me like 900 rupees. It's good enough for a lot of people, especially for those who are into fitness. So in that case, I definitely recommend a case like this. Final verdict, it works, and I really like it. I think it does the job. No issues at all. So guys, that's pretty much it with this review. Link is in the description if you want to check out this case, and for the review of this watch you can also watch that, as I've already done it, and I hope you like that too. So if you like this video guys, you know the drill, you know what to do, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.